Hey y'all.
Hey, Carrie and Babs here. We're
Happy
Babs
holidays.
Speedwares. Yeah. We got a box opening here. Just came in from the Pearl Farms.
Are y'all ready for the holidays? You can answer that on below. Anyway, I don't know what I'm expecting. I'm half asleep.
No, don't cut your fingers while you're half asleep then.
They always pack them up so good. Pop, pop.
Oh, you love popping those, don't you?
Everybody does. Everybody loves to pop in the bubbles. Okay. More stick pearls. Cashew pearls.
Oh, let's see the cashews.
A nice color in the orient.
No, these aren't cashew.
They're not?
These are square pearls. These got cashew. These are square. Are these cool or what? Good price on the squares, too. We have a really good price on the squares. Alright, what about those are cashew?
These are the cashew.
These are gorgeous. Here we want some large
Very
cashew
white.
pearls. Yeah,
Very
with lots of
white.
luster. It's all of this is nacre. There's no implant in these. This is 100% nacre. It doesn't get any better in luster than this type of pearl. You can see how beautiful those are.
Yeah, there's some great orient. Great
Great looking
color.
pearls. A little pricey, but well worth it. Well
These are
worth it.
cute. More cashew.
These are cashew.
Head drilled.
Yeah.
I love working with these. Your mom loves working with these. Nice size.
Yeah, these aren't too bad the price on these. Of course, you click the link, you'll find out how much they are.
And these, we had to reorder because they sold out so fast we couldn't keep up. These were fun to work with. Great for earrings, great for featuring onesies and chain.
These are thin sticks.
Stick pearls. They're so beautiful. Beautiful color in
Got
those.
10 strands of these in. I expect them to go pretty fast.
Already
But then we'll
have,
get more.
already have orders in for those.
I know Karen wants a couple strands, and doesn't Layla?
Yeah,
Leah.
Leah.
I've got my Star Wars on, the Layla, you know.
Yeah, you got your buns on your ears.
Yeah, I got buns. Cinnamon buns on my ears, or Kaiser rolls. If you're from Philadelphia, it's a Kaiser roll. Or a hard roll. Those are awfully pretty. Awfully pretty.
I have to remake my hippie earrings.
You could do earrings, just fantastic. Little crystal, little gold bead above or below. Little wire through there, a head pin. Twirl it on, you got yourself some earrings.
I did some bohemian earrings that I did them with some suede.
Okay, let's revisit these squares. Now, the squares we had before weren't this thick. These got some really nice thickness in them. I don't know if you can see that. I'm sure you can see that. The other square ones we had before were much thinner than these. This
They got
is some
beautiful color.
Yeah, these are gorgeous, and the price is really good on them. Of course, I have no idea what that is off the top of my head. I know when I did the deal that the deal was really good on them. I mean, they're just fabulous. They're just absolutely fabulous, and it's all just fabulous.
These are gorgeous.
Yeah, it's all just fabulous. Cascading pearls. So order them online or come on down to the store. We love seeing the store. Here's the giant Keshi again. I'm glad I got these. I didn't want to
I'm
order
going to
them.
call these victory pearls.
Victory
Look at the V's in
Oh,
there.
they got V for victory? Yeah. All right, if you like our video, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.